Godzilla.
What's up?
Holy shit. Like, there's literally like a foot of water out there. And we have to go down this block. I gotta tell you, I didn't bring my boat with me. We're gonna make it. We're at Far Rockaway, Deerfield Road and Beach 27th. Okay, looks like it's just, no, it's flooded out there. Look at that. Look at that, man. There's a foot of water out there. 331. So that's the house.
The call was what? 5 inches of That's a spot.
That's the spot right there. But I have to go out the other way. I'm gonna park like, I don't know. Whose driveway? Is that their driveway? Can I fit there?
I don't think that's their driveway. This is this driveway.
They don't have a driveway, huh?
Nah, they got one back there, but there's a car blocking it.
Looks deceiving, man, but there's like a foot of, maybe like 4 or 5 inches. All right, we'll see what we do.
You have to take that off.
You drained the boiler down, right? So he broke the whole thing.
Yeah. He cut it off to replace it with a different, I think it's called like air stop or some shit.
Yeah, an automatic air vent.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think this is a welded piece. I think this is welded on. That is definitely welded on. Yep. Well, I want to get you some heat, though, you know? We gotta get the heat on, no?
Yeah, because the family downstairs has a big old problem with.
We're gonna have to put a valve in here, and a valve over there, and we have to order you a radiator. That's the best thing I can do. We'll put a valve in there, a valve there, and then we have to take this out. We'll bring it to the supply house, and they order it for us. At least we can refill up the system.
That'd be great.
You know?
And the thing is, the same issue in this gentleman.
Oh, same thing there too? Oh man, don't tell me. Show me.
Let me show you.
This bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh man, what the hell?
So, yep. Help me move this.
PlayStation 12.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm online. Alright, I'm back in the car real quick.
Oh, what the fuck this guy did? All right, this one will be all right with.
Yeah, he said you just need a cap or something.
Yeah, no, we're gonna put an air vent there. Steven, let me get the two channel locks. A little one and the big one.
All right, so let me get the touch away.
A little more light up in here. Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
I want to be able to see.
Yeah, put that over there by the mirror. Let me move this for y'all.
No, that's good.
Oh, alright.
That's good.
I don't know what that is. So mine is not broken?
Oh, yours is here. I don't know what this guy was thinking.
It needs to be a little bit modern.
I don't know nothing about no heater.
Yeah. But no, we could make this one work. You'll have heat in here. The one
But what about the valve?
we'll make it work.
Your name is AJ
How do you do that?
Skills.
Jesus, you guys are amazing. Let me let you do your work.
We just gotta get a new automatic air vent here. On the other one, it's broken. You know, they broke the other one. Let's go double check the other one right there. So we'll get an automatic air vent for this. We have that in the truck. Let's go to the other one.
So I think everything else should be fine.
Well, what other ones did he play with? Messed up the threads.
The threads.
Yeah.
So he had a drill gun. He was asking me in regards to his compensation, and I mentioned I would just have to give you a call. And,
Sir, this is Mike from the Pipe Doctor. How are you?
Did you come here last time?
No, I haven't been here before. I'm sorry. Or maybe somebody else.
Yeah, maybe with another mic back here.
So the gentleman here showed me this one convector in that back bedroom, the back right bedroom on the second floor. It looks like someone was, trying to replace the automatic air vent or the bleeder valve on it and stripped out all the threads. So on this one, I'm gonna have to replace the whole, the convector element inside of it, which of course we're gonna have to order for you. So the way to get the heat up and running with this one, and then we'll talk about the other one, by the way, that's easy. The way we get the heat up and running here is that I'm gonna put valves in, on the piping, as inside this the cabinet, the element cabinet, and then we can bring this element to the supply house, and they'll order for us. But at least with the valves in place, I could turn the water back on, and have the heat up and running here. So
yeah, I like the idea. That's good.
and the other one on the second floor, rear left bedroom, someone just took out the bleeder, but I'll just put an automatic air vent in there, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, perfect.
So just threw on 2 half-inch press valves to isolate. Now we're gonna go put in the automatic air vent on this one. Caleffi. Not being that cooperative here. Let's see. One-handed mic. There we go. Two-handed mic to get this one on. Careful with that.
Oh man.
Because if he played with any other radiators and something's off, you're gonna have a flood.
Okay, let me see.
We got pressure now in the boiler.
It's unlocked. Cause I gotta go up there anyway.
Yeah, it's unlocked. Yeah,
Yeah,
no problem.
Got electronic ignition, but there's no power here.
Touch anything
No
else.
power.
So he turned.
there another
He turned 2 valves.
Is there another power switch somewhere? There's no power here.
Is there another power switch, Jimmy, to the boiler? Do you know?
Let's see, is this one right here?
This the one that.
There's gotta be another one. There's no power here.
You said there's no power to the boiler.
Yeah.
There's a switch.
Yeah, switch is on.
Okay, so the switch is on.
No power.
Nope, still no power?
Yeah, blank.
How do you turn the power?
There's gotta be another switch somewhere.
I don't know what the contractor can't.
Let's see. Let's look at the basement stairs. Normally they're there.
Okay. I don't know what the contractor touched down here. Alright, so
There's no power there.
He's saying like there's nothing coming up on the meter. So, is there any power?
Oh, what's that switch up there? I bet you this is it. Yep.
Is that it?
Well, it was at one point. Let's go see what that did.
Okay. So he wasn't going to click the switch by the staircase. Oh, that don't even work. Go to the panel?
You want to bet? That's the switch.
Oh, that is the switch.
That is the switch on top of the stairs.
Yeah, so that switch by the stairs.
See?
That does have some control. That turns on the.
That turns on the power to the boiler.
Wow.
The one that's painted over the top of the stairs, that's the power switch to the boiler. There's another one. See if I turn this off.
Then
But that one-
Okay, that's the main power.
This is the service switch. That's the emergency switch
Oh.
at the top of the stairs.
So there's 2 switches.
Yeah, we'll put a sticker over there so you know.
Yes,
'Cause that is a switch for the boiler.
Oh,
And if that's off, you have no heat.
Yes, it came on.
Yeah.
So now you turn this valve here.
Yeah, so that's open.
So this is open.
And
then this one up here.
That one's
the
open.
one.
Steven?
Yeah.
Want to get a bucket with a little hose so I can just purge it out real quick? Yeah, and then you'll have to bleed radiators, of course, but
The bleed radiator.
yeah.
Okay.
And also go upstairs, make sure nothing's leaking up there.
Okay, let me check.
All right, and we'll let this boiler cycle up a little bit. It's cold, Mama. It's cold. Getting it done, even if there's a flood in the street. I'm gonna tell you, the guy's lucky. The guy's lucky. Box. Got an A.O. Smith Lowe's special water heater here. Yeah, there's a little back pitch, but whatever. 50 gallon. All right, Will McLean CGA, probably a 4 or 5, let's see. CGA Gold, CGA 5. Well, when we're done here, we'll stop by the supply house and pick up. We'll order the element. They should have it in stock, but we'll come back in a couple of days, maybe on Monday. Throw that in for them. All right. Thanks for watching.